Welcome to Shireland Sixth Form, where your future begins. Here, you're not just another student, you are part of a community focused on helping you achieve your goals. We are committed to more than just academic success. We support your personal growth and prepare you for your life after Sixth Form. With tailored opportunities and amazing facilities, everything here is designed to help you reach your full potential.
At Shireland there's a course for everyone, whether you're into A-levels or more hands-on courses. Teachers are great at helping you figure out what works for you and what help you need to get where you need to be.
The support we get is next level, with some students earning places at top universities or landing amazing apprenticeships and jobs they love. It's inspiring to see how far we can go and how much staff want us to succeed.
During our studies, we're offered amazing opportunities through our sixth form partnerships, including specialist training with the City of Birmingham Rockets and workshops with industry professionals.
These make our learning more relatable and exciting as we get real-world experience and build connections with industry experts who can help us get ahead of the game, preparing us for what's next.
The Futures programme is inspiring. We get to meet people from all kinds of industries, helping us figure out what we want to do next. They even show us how to set ourselves apart, from writing our CVs to preparing for our interviews.
We also get to learn about practical life skills that aren't usually taught in school, like managing money, leading a team and developing our personal brand.
Skills that we use no matter what we do after sixth form.
Everyone here is so supportive. It really feels like a tight-knit community that truly cares, no matter what you're going through. From coursework to personal stuff, there's always someone here that can talk to you.
Our tutors are amazing. They help us with everything from sorting our personal statements and applications to staying motivated when things feel tough. It's nice knowing there's always someone in your corner.
The facilities here are brilliant, with specialist technology that lets us apply what we're learning in our subjects. There are spaces for focused study and group work, giving us the freedom to work and manage our time while being able to build skills for uni or work.
There's so much more here than academics. From sports club to leadership programs, there's something for everyone. It's all about helping us develop into confident individuals, not just focus on our studies.
Shireland Sixth Form isn't just a place to learn, it's where you'll find your potential and start shaping your future.
We're here to inspire, guide and challenge you to aim higher and dream bigger. Whatever your goals, this is where they start to become a reality. Let's work together to build the future you deserve here at Shireland.